Hello, update on my main tank. This time on the biofiltration, I broke this biological filter a few days ago. There's a leak somewhere in the bottom, so I decided to actually put it aside and assembly a new one. That will be this bucket here, a 60-liter one. And look how dirty this thing is. So it was filled with expanded clay as a media for the bacteria to actually settle in. This time I'm gonna try something new. Those are bags made of plastic. This thing here is used to actually pack potatoes, onions, a lot of goods, and they can carry up to 20 kilos if I'm right. So I'll be hanging those bags. Inside here will be a shower system like this one. Instead of a single pipe, it will be a cross section here, and so the bacteria can receive lots of air and water at the same time. So let's get started. This is my progress so far. I got the PVC cross made, so this will act as a shower. There's 12 holes total. It rotates like this, so act as a shower. In here will be my media, a bag over there. All I have to do now is, using this hole saw, I gotta drill a hole right over here. Actually, there's a tiny hole here to mark where it goes. This is the actual return pipe with a bulkhead adapter from the first biological filter. So it will go right over here, and this will suck water from the bottom and return to the fish tank. Alright, there it is. Here's the hole that I dig for the new filter, right next to the radial flow filter. By the way, I'm using this hose clamp as a form to control the flow. It's quite tight now. If I unscrew a little bit, it will actually increase the flow. So that's a good amount of water coming out from every single hole. The level is also good. It's not too high. It's not reaching the end of the bulkhead, because the inlet and the outlet are the same diameter, 3/4 of an inch. Right now, all I have to do is actually fill this area here with the media, and the filtration system will be ready to go. Alright, 50 bags later, this is what it looks like. And let me say, boy, 50 bags, that's a lot of bags. For real. So right now, I'm gonna leave this way. There's even room for more, but well, this way the water flows better. There's more oxygen available for the bacteria. So this is the end of this short video. Hope you liked. See you next time.